Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. Thank you for joining me today. I do appreciate it. This is the project I have to share with you today. It's actually an expandable bag. As you can see, it folds flat for storage, but the sides can expand, as you can see, as can the base. And then you've got your little bag. And then it just all folds up flat like this. So it can either be used, if you've just got a few things, it can be used flat, but it's an expandable bag. So let me show you how I made it. This one is made with Night of Navy and the paper here is Countryside In. This time we're going to be using an ink colour called Copper Clay. And I have here a piece that measures 9 inches by 5 inches. And we are going to score here on the long edge at 4 inches, 4.5 inches and 5 inches, just like that. That will make the main part of our bag. And then I've got two little pieces here of copper clay cardstock that measures 2 inches by 4 inches, and on the 2 inch side we're going to score it every half inch, so it's half, 1 and 1.5, just like that. And then we're going to score again here at half, 1, whoops, jumped the track, 1 and 1.5. Okay. So let's move that aside. And I'm going to bring in our bone folder, and we're just going to fold on all of these score lines. So we want our first fold. We're going to fold it up like a concertina, just like that. So if you look at it, we have a valley, a mountain and then a valley, and this is then going to go into our bag like this. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to fold up like concertina, and as you can see here, you've got a valley, a mountain and then a valley, so you can see they're the two pieces. Set those aside, bring in a large piece, score again, fold again on these score lines, and the centre score line you're going to fold the opposite way. So again, you've got this concertina. If you look at the centre here, you've got a mountain, a valley and a mountain, just like that. Okay, so now we're going to put our designer series paper on. This time we're going to use this one here, which is called Fresh as a Daisy, and we're just going to use some of this here. Okay, just like that. And then on the other side, just going to got glue on my grid mat. Always happens no matter how hard I try. Even if I use my silicone mat, and I get glue on that, and then I get glue on my fingers, and then it just transfers everywhere. Just accepted it. It is what it is. Okay, so I'm just going to put this down here. Okay, and there we've got the start of our bag. Now we're going to put these pieces into our craft bag, and what we want to make sure is that our half-inch fold here is not going to interfere with our sides. So I'm going to cut this down. I had it at 4 inches, I'm actually going to cut it down to 3.5 inches and see if that'll be okay. I tend to do this after I've cut my paper just so that I can get things. Oopsie daisy. I'll glue on my scissors as well. I can just check that it's not going to interfere. That's fine. And we're going to try the same for this, so let's try it again as well. Work there at 3.5, so I'm not being overly precise. Okay. And let's try this one in here, and then we can see if we fold it in. Perfect, it's not going to cause any problems. So now we can start to make our bag up. I'm going to put glue on the one edge like this, and I'm going to line this up with the top of my bag. Just like that. Going to do the same on the other side. Glue on the one edge. Line this up at the top of my bag. It's good you have a little wiggle room, and then you're going to see these are just going to fold in and fold over like that. So now I can put glue on these tabs here, and I'm just going to fold these over. Get my fingers in the glue, why not? And then making sure, using the bits that don't have glue, lined everything up, and there you can see you've got your expandable bag, and it'll expand out just like that. Okay, so let's do a little bit of decoration now. So I've got a piece here somewhere of basic white cardstock that measures 2 inches wide. I use my Elegant Edge tag topper. Sorry about that. Makes a huge noise, I know. And there we've got a little nice little edge. Then I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday, and I'm going to do it this time just here in some copper clay ink like that. And then should you say the stamp set here was Celebrate with Tags, and we can use Happy Birthday and these hearts. So I'm just going to use these hearts to decorate. Yeah, that will do. I think one more down here after saying that. Yeah, that will do fine. Close this up. And then I've got here some of this copper clay ribbon, and we're going to just tie a little bow using this. We'll try to at least. I'm not the best of bows, as you can tell. They just never work with me. However, I know there's tips and tricks out there. They confuse me even more. You know, some of us just, I think it's just one of those things. Some of us can do it, some of us can't. That will have to do. Okay, glue dots to the rescue. And I'm just going to put this on the top somewhere here. And then I'm just going to attach my tag with a glue dot as well. I'm just going to attach it just in one place. You can touch it more if you want. I don't think it needs it. There we go. There are our 2 bags you can see here. So I hope you liked the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information, as I said, it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.